right, so we are on our way to the helicopter ride. Pretty excited. How are you feeling, Megan?
Nervous.
You're nervous?
I don't want to die.
You're not gonna die. It's gonna be great. Morgan, how do you feel? All right, here we go.
We took this ride with a group called Scenic Helicopter Tours. They're located in Sevierville, Tennessee, and we chose the river ride, which was about $29 per person, and we went up above the ground at 1,200 feet, and we covered about 8 miles above the French Broad River. You could also see a little bit of the Great Smoky Mountains, but they have other packages which are a little bit more that take you above the Great Smoky Mountains. This helicopter ride only lasted about 5 or 6 minutes or so, but it was a really cool experience to fly over Tennessee and see a little bit of what it had to offer. And I would highly recommend it to anyone who has never been in a helicopter before.